In the first light of day, the wild wakes with purpose. Here, life begins in silence, and survival. Every hunt starts in stillness. Patience writes the law of Predatus. Of the clouds, fear loses meaning. Only vision guides the strong. Danger hides where the water turns dark. Every step forward is a step of trust and fear.
Age teaches what strength cannot. Wisdom is the true armor of the wild.
Speed is the cheetah's heartbeat. Every second decides the chase.
The pack is more than family. Unity shapes their survival.
Night reveals what daylight hides. In the silence, every shadow begins, fragile and unsteady. Hope strengthens with every breath. The wild follows one truth. Adapt, endure, and rise again.